SoCo Customs, and today I'm just letting you know that the 2025s have dropped over at GMC, and underneath they're basically the same truck. So if you are online looking for components for your 2025 and they may not have updated the websites just yet, 2024 components should fit. This truck came to us as a 2025 GMC 2500 with the Duramax. We set it up on the 4-inch Cognito kit. This is probably one of the better riding kits that you can get for a 2500, especially these independent front suspensions like GM is doing. It will have the Fox shock upgrade on it. The wheels are going to be the 20x12 gear off-road in a -44. These are called the 765, and then we wrap those in the 35-1250 Klever RTs. We also added the rough country pocket style fender flares. These ones will reuse those side marker lights and bump those out so you still get use of those. We also painted them to match at our local paint shop. This color is called Downpour Metallic. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. There's gonna be plenty more 2025s to come, so keep it locked here to get more ideas on how to upfit your truck.